Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here in the workshop. Walter, with a question. Have you ever considered bluing or black oxide coating your iron and steel tools? I know they do some bluing on steel tools to help protect them and prevent them from rusting. But you still have to oil them, otherwise the bluing can fail just like chrome can fail, or zinc plating or any other plating. So I was out cutting rhubarb last week. Had a big old bucket, about 10 pounds, 15 pounds, and I was cutting it into small pieces. And over a period of about an hour, that's what my carbon steel knife looks like. I'd say that's bluing, wouldn't you? Let me know what you think. I'm just going to put an edge on this, bring it back in the kitchen. So that's about it for today. No long video today, just this quickie. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for the next video, let me know. I've got some things going on off camera, which might prove to be some ideas for the next video. But I know school's out and summer's coming, and I know we're going to have fewer and fewer people visit, but let me know what you need to know, and I'll try to help. Head out to your workshop. Think about bluing. Would it work? Walter out.